This is admin dashboard where admin view the details of their each and every employee statistics related to how much time they will be spent in a monthly basis or weekly basis. Here admin can get the report of the particular employee. We want to be track the business hours of employee. This is for an employee working hours in last 7 days. Here admin can check the contribution of each and every employee. Also the admin able to view the applications frequently used by their employee like Google Chrome, Adobe Photoshop, Android Studio, Visual Studios and all. Also the URL most frequently used. At the bottom of the dashboard page, admin can get the working now. These are the employees are currently online. Admin can get the record of the employee who is not active right now, the time duration before he log in, how much time they will be logged in a day, average time or spent in a week or average time spent in a month. Admin can get the detail of employee by clicking here. Employee can select any other employees. Admin can get the detail according to the month and date wise. This is the number of hours. This is the application report for an individual employee. Here you can click and you can check the URLs. The URLs opened by the employee. You can check another employee. You can click here. You can get the zoom image of the screenshot as well as you can get the keystroke value as well as the mouse clicks. So you can get the exact report of an employee during the working. Now comes to the user list. Admin can update the details of user by editing the detail. Also admin can create a new user or invite a new user by their login ID. Once the username and email ID is filled and submit, the download link will be emailed on the specific email ID. User reports, multiple users selected by the admin to track them and search. Get the reports of both of the employees, like last login date, how much time actively spent or how much time duration of the login. By group, get the complete report of the employees with the productivity. Select the employee, check the working productivity. How much hours spent on a particular day, weekly average, or working hours in a month. Activity reports. User can get the reports activity on a specific date. URL report, or the keystrokes and the mouse clicks on a every minute. This is the time duration user login and log out. Like 12:19 user login, 12:39 user log out, again 12:42 he login and again log out. After that 1:15 he login again, 1:23 log out, and this is the time duration. Here you can click on the image, you can get a complete detailed image of the, or you can say the zoom image of the screenshot. Here is the download options, from where you can download the installer application. This is the admin activities done by the admin to track the employees activity. Here are some more features we are implementing and launched very soon. Like we can include the project management, projects works detail, in which the user track as well as the assigned work, the contribution of the work by an individual, and other correlated reports. Also we are implementing the payment gateway options, by which if the company hire an employee on the offshore solution, or the person who's working on a project basis, company will release their salaries immediately by completion of their work. We will try to make more flexible and more reports to the user very soon. So this is the admin dashboard of the work hour monitor. In the next video we will describe you the how user install their applications and start their activities. Thank you for your valuable time.